The BMW X3 played a pivotal role in launching the compact luxury crossover segment when it first hit the scene in 2004, quickly becoming the brand's best-selling model. Now, with the arrival of the fourth-generation 2025 X3, offering subtle yet significant upgrades that enhance the experience rather than overhaul it. The latest X3 is larger in every dimension, but thanks to its newly designed, more aerodynamic bodywork, it boasts a lower drag coefficient than the previous model. Along with its sleek exterior, BMW introduces cutting-edge tech features, including expanded audio and video streaming services, and even gaming options to enjoy while parked. Under the hood, both the four-cylinder and inline-six engines return, now enhanced with mild hybrid technology for increased output and efficiency. What remains unchanged is the X3's tasteful luxury interior, its smooth blend of ride comfort and agile handling, and its place as a stylish, perfectly sized compact crossover in one of the most competitive segments. BMW also made the frame lighter yet more rigid, improving both agility and cornering stability while maintaining comfort for long road trips. The 2025 BMW X3 starts at $50,675, with prices climbing to $65,275 depending on the trim and options. If you like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. The 2025 BMW X3 xDrive 30 comes equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, now enhanced by a 48-volt hybrid system, delivering 255 horsepower, a modest 7 GP boost over the previous model. But the real excitement lies in the M50, where a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six paired with the same hybrid system cranks out 393 horsepower, 11 GP more than before. Both models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for smooth and responsive performance. During our test drive of the 2025 X3 prototypes, we found the updated model takes the already impressive road manners of its predecessor to new heights, thanks to a stiffer body structure and upgraded suspension. The M50 features a standard adaptive suspension, which is also available as an option for the xDrive 30, allowing drivers to fine-tune the ride. With 3 drive modes, personal, efficient, and sport, you can customize your driving experience to suit any mood. Plus, if you're into towing, an optional trailer hitch lets the X3 handle up to 4,850 pounds. Step inside the 2025 BMW X3, and you'll instantly recognize the signature BMW design. The interior features the familiar dual-screen layout, one for the gauge cluster and another elegantly positioned above the center console for infotainment and climate controls. In a shift that reflects the modern BMW lineup, physical controls are notably minimal. Even the buttons for seat memory and vent adjustments have transitioned to sleek, touch-sensitive pads. What remains tactile are the iDrive controller and the essential shortcut buttons for media, phone, navigation, and more, all conveniently surrounding the iDrive knob on the center console. Complete with ambient lighting strips and the stylish less than and greater than arrows lighting up on the doors, a signature element borrowed from BMW's upscale models like the new 5 Series. Standard features include heated and ventilated power-adjustable sport seats, available in 3 attractive color options for the faux leather upholstery. Notably, the new woven fabric instrument panel, crafted from recycled polyester, makes its debut in the X3, highlighting BMW's commitment to sustainability. While the X3 retains the same wheelbase as its predecessor, you can expect the interior dimensions to be comparable, offering similar legroom for both front and rear passengers. The added length and width enhance cargo capacity, with space increasing from 28.7 cubic feet to 31.5 cubic feet with the rear seats up. Fold those seats down, and you unlock a generous 67.1 cubic feet of versatile storage space. For over 2 decades, iDrive has been BMW's go-to operating system, and the 2025 X3 takes a significant leap forward with the introduction of BMW Operating System 9. This latest version of their in-car software platform is now powered by Android. Interestingly, while BMW has chosen not to label it as iDrive 9, the familiar knob on the center console retains the name iDrive Controller. The new system offers multiple ways to interact, including a responsive touchscreen, steering wheel controls, and voice commands. optional head-up display enhances the driving experience, providing essential information right in your line of sight. With BMW Digital Premium, you can enjoy video streaming and gaming options while parked, whether you're playing solo or with a friend. Plus, popular audio streaming services like Spotify and Amazon Music are now available, adding to the X3's entertainment offerings. Visually and functionally, OS 9 is reminiscent of iDrive 8.5, which is featured in recently updated models like the 2 Series and 3 Series. Thanks to its Android foundation, OS 9 can support a broader array of third-party apps and promises more frequent over-the-air updates. These updates can enhance usability, improve software, and even introduce new features. Additionally, BMW is launching a new connected service known as BMW Digital Premium. Standard on the new X3 is BMW's parking assistant. But for those seeking enhanced capabilities, there's an optional upgrade package called Parking Assistant Professional with Maneuver Assistant, taking the stress out of parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. The 2025 BMW X3 comes packed with an impressive range of driver assistance features, ensuring both safety and convenience. While a full suite is available as options, the essentials are included as standard. Here are some key safety highlights. Automated emergency braking with forward collision warning, a critical feature that helps prevent accidents. Lane departure warning, alerts you if you unintentionally drift from your lane. Adaptive cruise control, available to enhance your driving experience by automatically adjusting your speed. In tight parking situations, the BMW X3 can easily navigate in and out using remote control via your smartphone. In conclusion, whether it's the everyday practicality of the X3 xDrive 30 or the exhilarating performance of the M50, the 2025 X3 offers something for every luxury SUV enthusiast. With its perfect blend of style, technology, and performance, the latest X3 remains a formidable competitor in its class. But what do you think is a worthy rival to the 2025 X3? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. You can stay up to date with the latest updates in the world of cars by subscribing to the Cars Planet channel.